Guys, day 4 pa lang at level 5 na among campfire. Super pro kami.
Hindi, super diggers ng tayo.
Buin ka. Hoy, buligi ako.
Nagbubulig ako. Matay na ako.
Buligi ako. Ako on low health.
Easy! So easy.
Kare, ibutang nato sa fire.
Tama sa father.
Wait lang, wag line ha. Wag line
Money.
Money talks. Meow.
Bro, we're going to reach level 6. Bro, and then I found the ruby chest. That's so good, bro.
Just for real, bro. Imagine just getting an oil barrel and then level 5 on day 4 and then a sapling base. Oh, a sapling base. A wood farm. Say hello to the camera.
Hello guys, bro. I got my first ruby chest in day 4.
Yay! Say kung chop.
Yan. I-plant na nato ang mga sapling sa
Sige.
circle.
Sige.
Circle.
Pero kailan nato na full go na iya fire?
Sige, pag level 6 na, ipaplant nato ang sapling sa circle.
Wait, malapit na good tayo sa mag level 6. Wala, malapit na good. Plant muna natin ato
Is the rain?
Yeah, it's raining.
Kabasa nato wood. Ayaw man na i-plant ng sapling.
Okay.
Yan na. Ito na yan.
Basa na.
Yan, ipa-dry mo na nato, ipa-dry.
Sige.
Ay, tong!
Sorry! Hello guys, this is a redo of our previous video where my little cousin died and I also died.
And then I found in day 4 on day 5 I found the ruby chest.
You mean day 4?
Oh yeah, day 4 actually. Guys.
Whoa, we already have a gem of the forest.
Huh?
See, we have a gem of the forest fragment. We have it.
Oh yeah, that's mine. This was my candle. Bro, where does meat? Get this out of here.
I'm recording a video, bro.